Hello everyone, this is Eric RedJet 505 again. Okay, so what we got here, let's ignore this thing for a second. So this is a carb cleaner for motorcycles, but what we did, I have a lot of those empty in my shop because whenever I work, clean my carburetor or whatever, they just empty and they're still full of gas inside. And I decided to see if this will actually explode when you shoot it with a high-speed bullet, with a supersonic bullet at the shooting range. So there is a link to the video right there and right there for later for you guys to check. But this is one of the cans that I shot, and I want to show you guys something really cool. So this is how the can look after, but watch the video and see what happens. So this was the first hole. The first hole you're gonna see in the video, the bullet got in such a high speed and exit from the other side, and it did not even fail. This thing did not even move because there was still gases inside. It was just leaking some gas. You can see like a fume coming out of it, but it did not explode or anything like that. Then I decided it's already fell on the floor to start shooting it more, and I shot a couple more rounds. So I shot this one, that one, and then it fell sideways, and I shot this that got sideways and opened that. And weirdly enough, one of the bullet, it seems to be, did that. Completely opened the can inside out. So it did not explode. It's never exploded or caught any fire. It just like the bullet actually, when you peel it up, you can see actually how the bullet opened it up. And it's look actually really awesome. Actually, let's remove this real quick. If you're gonna remove the paper, it will be easier to see how it's look underneath. You can see actually every direction of the impact in a much clearer manner. Okay, so we did a small science experiment, and this what happened. So this is a bullet that just literally opened it side to side when it was on the ground, and I kept shooting it. Now there is different size of bullet. This thing got shot with a 308 and also with a 556, and there is weird kind of entries and exits that actually you can see that those are actually the entries 1 and 2, and those are the exit for 1 and 2. They actually open like a flower. It's actually really cool. And then if you look here, this is kind of weird because there's a bullet that gone from here, but because it was laying down sideways, the bullet hit sideways and just tore it apart. So it did not just make a hole coming out, it just exploded to smithereen. And those are actually, those are very important. You can see all those small impacts. Those are what is actually going to be the shrapnel from the bullet tearing itself apart to small parts. And this is actually pretty dangerous. If it's hit your body and hit a bone and break into pieces, this is what it's going to do. So it's tear apart the small can from the inside. And then this was just like the impact just sideways. So this was actually a really cool experience. Oh, I did not even notice that. So while one of the bullets hit here, so look at this, the bullet got in here, it's dent the bottom and then came out. This is actually pretty cool. Again, the bullet gone through here, hit the bottom of the can, so it's in an angle. It's getting from here and coming out from there. So it's hit here, it through the bottom. It's actually slide on the bottom and then got out from here. This is actually super cool. More you look at those things, you discover more things that happened, and you kind of understand what lead to that. You know, what was the cause of the hole and how the bullets travel inside. And I know sometimes it's boring, but sometimes it's really cool to understand how stuff work and what happened when bullet hit some place and goes somewhere else. But I did not think that I will see this. I did not notice it yesterday, but it's kind of super cool that the bullet got from here, hit there, and then slide out. Anyway, this is Eric, RedJet 505. We start doing some science experiment right now, and we're gonna shoot different things. We're gonna shoot next time some Kevlar. If you missed it out, I just did a video about the helicopter blade. Go and look for it. It's probably in the following video. All the video is going to be set up to a series of 3 to 5 videos Some of them will show you the before and after, and some of them just will show you the shooting. What we did, we split it out because any video that have a weapon in it get demonetized by YouTube. So we split it so you can see what happened, and then you will see the shooting in 2 separate video. I think it will work for them better this way. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And we also set up a Patreon right now if you want to help us so we can get more money for expensive ammunition and more kind of more cool project to shoot. Just let us know. One of the next projects that we're gonna start shooting, we're gonna get some RC car and shoot them and blow them to smithereen. See you on my next video. This is Eric, RedJet 505. Bye.